In this media, you will learn about the flame loss sequence. During the power failure or the closure of operating control, the relay programmed starts recycling automatically. The loss of fire, pilot ignition failure, or the main flame failure results in the need for a careful shutdown of the boiler. This shutdown is succeeded by the lockout of the program relay. If there is a situation of flame or flame ignition during the period of pre-purge, the lockout takes place. The opening of the fuel valve interlocks or the limitation of the circuit controls does not allow the control system to start up or ignite the system. During the irregular condition, the air supervisory controls are influenced due to the lockout condition. Following are the air supervisory controls used in the running interlock circuit. The pilot flame. After the commencement of the ignition process, the pilot flame should be ignited within 10 seconds. If the time period exceeds, main fuel valve circuit cannot be re-energized. This is followed by the de-energization of the ignition circuit and closure of pilot valves. Then, lockout takes place suddenly. But the blower motor will not stop its operation. 10 seconds after these events, the light and the alarm bell indicating the flame failure gets energized. Only after the alarm and light glow, the blower motor stops its operation. Before continuing the operation, the lockout switch must be moved to reset position manually. Pilot but no main flame. If the pilot flame is proven, the main fuel valve circuit will be powered and the fuel valve gets energized. The pilot flame is quenched after 10 to 15 seconds based on the number of trials for ignition period. The reaction for the de-energization of the main valve circuit is given by the flame detecting circuit in 2 to 4 seconds, and thus the fuel supply is stopped. Then lockout takes place. Loss of flame. The flame relay trips when the flame is not sensed by the detector or due to the flame blackout in normal operation of the boiler. These failures are sensed by the relay in 2 to 4 seconds, and thereby the fuel valve circuit gets de-energized. This is followed by the stoppage of fuel supply, sudden lockout, and stoppage of the blower motor. The failures can be detected and displayed as code or warning during the faulty condition by the program relay. Thus, you have learnt about the flame loss sequence.